If you're searching for a high-capacity aqueous cleaning system built for demanding industrial environments, the Niagara Systems L242 delivers powerful, repeatable results for large and high-volume parts washing. The L242 from Niagara Systems is a heavy-duty industrial washing system designed to handle oversized components or high part counts. Its front-loading washing system enables efficient, ergonomic loading and consistent cleaning performance. This industrial aqueous parts washer features a heated, recirculated wash, heated, recirculated rinse, and heated convection dryer. Tanks include particulate filtration, coalescing filtration, oil skimming, and automatic filling to support continuous industrial washing. A large loading table and oversized parts basket allow for large or multiple parts per cycle. Integrated locking mechanisms secure the basket and ensure proper seating inside the wash chamber. The operator opens the pneumatic front door, slides the basket into position, and closes the door using a two-hand safety control. With the push of a start button, the automated cycle begins. Rotating spray nozzles deliver full 360-degree coverage above and below the basket. The upper spray header is motor-driven. The lower is fluid-driven, delivering wash solution up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit at 100 psi. A user-friendly HMI allows quick adjustment of cycle times and recipe selection. From remanufacturing and process line cleaning to large crane-handled components, the Niagara Systems L242 is built for serious industrial cleaning, cycle after cycle. The Niagara Systems L242 is commonly used for remanufacturing and rebuild operations, process line and maintenance cleaning, large industrial parts washing. Niagara Systems L242, built for big parts, built for real production, built to perform.